Hi, I'm Gaby from Gizmo China, and I am in Beijing, where Xiaomi had just released the latest and greatest flagship, the Xiaomi Mix 3. An utopian dream that finally came true. The infinity screen, near bezel-less design with a very small chin, and yes, you guessed it, no more ugly notch. Take that, Apple. This eye-catching design being possible by a sliding mechanism that allowed the front-facing cameras, ambient sensor, speaker grille, and even an LED light to hide behind the screen, making it easily available by just sliding it down. To be honest, I really like the concept and it seems pretty straightforward. Need to take a selfie? Just slide down the screen and the Mi Mix 3 will automatically open the selfie camera. The sliding down mechanism could also be used to answer calls, which I think is pretty cool, kind of like the Nokia 8110 in the movie Matrix. The screen is a 1080p Super AMOLED that looks gorgeous. The Mi Mix 3 feels like a real premium device, with a 7 series aluminum frame and ceramic back that comes available in jade green, onyx black, and sapphire blue. Like all this is not enough, Xiaomi also packed some of the highest specs on any smartphone ever made. It had the latest Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of capacity on the basic model and 10GB of RAM with 256GB of capacity on the premium version. Sadly, there is no TF card slot. There are 4 cameras in this device, 2 in each side of the Mix 3, 12 megapixel for the 2 on the back and a 24 megapixel and 2 megapixel in the front. The main shooter consists of 28mm and 60mm focal range and 24mm wide angle for selfies. Pictures and videos both looks good, pretty good either is coming out of the rear or the front camera. Xiaomi Mix 3 camera scored 103 on the DxOMark test, which makes it one of the best smartphone camera ever made. I'm testing now the front-facing camera on the Xiaomi Mix 3. Also, the audio you're hearing is straight out of the inbuilt microphone of this smartphone. You can test by yourself what's the quality. So far, pretty awesome device, but there is not such things as a perfect smartphone. There is no headphone jack and there is also no IP ratings, which means you need to be careful not to drop it or get it wet. Also, the very high processing power may possibly drain the 3200 mAh battery pretty fast, but for that I have to test it once I get the production unit for review. The Xiaomi Mix 3 will be available in China on November 1st at 3,299 RMB for the basic model and 4,999 RMB for the premium version. I will be updating on availability on the international market soon when I upload the full review, so make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comment section down below what you think of the Mix 3. I'm Gaby from Gizmo China, till next time.